Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchy. Today I will open some TTM return. I just started my YouTube channel and I get many hobby. One of my hobby to send some TTM return, but I get so many hobby that sometimes I can do everything that I want. But like this, I will show you four, okay, and just see the date that it's crazy. The mark post, the postmark, it's August 2019. That it's crazy. It's nearly 1 year and a half ago that I received the letter. But anyway, it's like this. Time fly, but okay. And I received four letters from USA and one from Canada. I will start by this because I think this is must to be a hockey player because I send rarely some TTM request to Canada. Must to be the French Roussel who play in Vancouver Canucks. I think he played the last year. I don't know this year if he play yet in the Vancouver Canucks. But anyway, we'll try to open. This is must to be a hockey player, not sure. And this must to be some baseball player and some very old player. Let's go. I will try. That it's funny because there is not postmark on the stamp, but it's very. I'm really happy with this because firstly I reuse this stamp. On the Canadian Post, have not obliterated the stamp, and I will reuse another time. Let's go. I will try to see what I get on this letter. I rarely send my TTM requests in Canada. Sometimes for hockey player, but very few, and maybe sometimes some football player who play in CFL, but it's very rare. Let's go. What I will get? Oh, nice. I got recent. Oh, it's Antoine Roussel. Oh my gosh. Very happy to get this card. It's Dallas. Oh, Dallas Star uniform. Very nice. Okay, I think he's a French, but he also a Canadian or something like this. Some family, he grew up in Quebec, something like this. But I'm very happy with those two cards. And for information, in this moment there is very few French in NHL. Antoine Roussel must to be also Texier, must to play for the Columbus Jackets, and there is also. Pierre-Edouard Bellemare. He must to play for the last year he played for the Colorado Avalanche. Okay, very happy with it. I will just sleeve it. Oh, very nice. Thank you, Antoine Roussel. I will look if he yet play for the Vancouver. I think so, but it's a role player and it's yes, it's a team player. This guy, nice, great. Next, those shame on me, August 2019. But anyway, I will try Shreveport. It's Louisiana, LA, LA. Ouais. It's the state of Louisiana. I will try. I think it's some very old card who I send. When it's some old card, I send only one or something like this. Oh, thank you, Mr. Wayne Cozy. He was a infield for the Brave, and in seen my card. Oh, thank you. Oh, we see it? Yes or no? Maybe I will just move a little the cam. Oh, very happy. Wayne Cozy for the Brave. After I will read the back. This is a Topps 1969 must to be. Oh, thank you, sir. Wayne Cozy. Oh, very happy with this. I will just put in the case. on the blue color signature. After I will look on the internet, his career, something like this, but very happy. Thanks a lot, Mr. Cosi. Nice, thank you. Oh, great. Next, this it come from South Jersey, in the New Jersey. I will open. It's very exciting to open some TTM return because you never know which player you will receive. Sometimes they don't sign your card. Sometimes there are some Hall of Fame, something like this. This I will look. Oh, nice. Oh, it's not a Sohol player. It's Mill Thompson. I don't know where I send my card after I get a register where I write every TTM request on where I send the card to the player. Mill Thompson, very nice, with the St. Louis Cardinals. Thank you, Mr. Thompson. Another card with the Phillies uniform. Oh, great, very nice. And oh, it's very great from him. He also sent me. Oh, thank you so much. That is very fun to send some teacher requests because you never know what you receive, if the guy will sign your card or not, and it's crazy. And I will look. Now he must be, I don't know where, maybe he's a coach or something like this. I don't know, maybe I will look on the internet. Oh, I'm very happy with this. Thank you so much, Mr. Mill Thompson. Next, move on. This comes from Phoenix, Arizona. Let's go. I will try to see. When you receive some TTM return, it's very exciting because. Okay, I will just open on this side because it must to be my name on the letter. Every time I send a letter to the player, and okay, it's a Maurice Willis third base. But sadly, don't sign my card. I will just show on my letter if he put an information or something like this. No, he not signed my card. But anyway, maybe yes. I hope he is well and it's okay. But okay, he sadly not signed my card, but it's a part of the game. Okay, I will keep this in my collection. Expose. Oh, it's Expose. Maybe it was in Washington Expose or for the Montreal at this moment. I don't know. But nice. Nice. Not nice, but okay. He sent me back my card and it's very nice from him. And this is a letter from St. Paul, Minnesota. I will try to see. What I get, and oh, nice! Oh, look at this signature! Oh, it's crazy! It's Jerry Kosman. Oh, it's beauty signature, a blue signature. I don't know if we see very well on the cam. Oh, very happy! Of course, I'm a French. It's difficult for me to find some cards sometimes, especially the old card. And the cards are really not perfect. From some kid write on the card or put some pen sometimes. But oh, I'm very happy from this. Oh, this card is beauty, and it's Mr. Jerry Kosman. Oh, thanks a lot, Mr. Kosman. Oh, I will great. It's great. I will just. But oh, nice. I don't know if you see well in. And I'm very happy about this last open. Thank you for watching. I get some other TTM return where I put in a case and I will maybe open it the next week, so the next day, if I get some free time. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Bye bye.